Wallahi, I swear by Allah, this video is gonna change your life differently. Allah knows you have had enough, man. Just hear me out. No more difficulties in your life, man. Trust me, they're all finished. Hear me out. Bro, you specifically need to get up and do this one thing, man. Just stand up right now after this video, doesn't matter. Stand up and just be like, you know what, bruv? Like, bun feeling trash. I don't want to feel trash anymore. I don't want to wake up and feel trash. I don't want to go to sleep and feel trash. I don't want to feel this lowness anymore. Just be like, Ya Allah, like I'm here and I'm ready to feel amazing, man. I don't care what's going on in my life externally. I literally don't even care at all. It's completely irrelevant. I just come to you with a full, open, happy, joyous, repentant, loving heart, and I'm just here, man. Whatever you put my way, I know it's beautiful. I know it's perfect, regardless of what my ego and my mind determines for that situation to be. However I personally analyze it, I don't even care about any of that. It's all incorrect. I just come to you with joy, happiness, success, because I deserve to be successful. I'm a believer. Look in the Quran Majid, all the negative things are only for the disbeliever, bruv. So how you associating anything negative for you as a believer when you know you pray, when you know you do good things, when you know you're trying, man? So bruv, just stop thinking anything negative. Don't think of me as some shouty Muslim man, you get me, bruv? Think of this as like, bro, this is the wake-up call I flipping needed, man. I needed to hear this, bruv. I needed to drill this into my system, man. I'm sick of all the difficult things that are happening in my life, man. I don't want any more difficulty. So I come to Allah happy, because when you come to Allah happy, what does Allah give you, bro? More happiness, man. Have you never noticed that whenever you're in a good streak in life and things are going well and smooth, more good things start happening? Whenever anything bad, supposedly bad, happens, more bad things start happening, you get me? So bruv, just go into that goodness now. Be grateful right now. Be grateful for nothing, bro. I don't care what's going on in your life, man. Be grateful regardless, bro. And watch how good things just keep unfolding from that stem, man. And when the good things happen to you, be like, yeah, man, alhamdulillah, of course good things happen to me. I changed my internal condition, you get me? In the Quran Majid it states, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم. And Allah will not change the condition of a believer until he changes his condition. You get me? Until he changes his own condition, until he changes his own state. You know what I'm saying? So bro, if you want Allah to change your situation right now, bro, your situation right now, you change your internal condition and start viewing the world and start viewing Allah as a beautiful, blessed place that loves you so much, man. And Allah loves you so much, man. That's how you have to view it. You have to view the world like, bro, I'm so happy. I have everything that I have. And I have everything that I want, and I deserve every ounce of it. You get me? I deserve every split second of this life I'm living, and it's beautiful because Allah has put me here, man. And I stayed steadfast. I held true to myself, and that's it, man. You have to do that, bro. You have to step into that, bro, and watch everything shift for you, man. Inshallah, inshallah. Bro, just take a deep breath, man. It's time to stop feeling sorry for yourself. It's time to stop beating yourself up over your past sins. It's time to stop stressing about the future. It's time to start living presently with Allah in this moment. It's time to get excited for the future that God holds for you. Start feeling the excitement in your heart of your desire already being fulfilled. Live in the state of your prayer already being answered. This is a game changer. This will shift your happiness. Somebody once said, I forgot who, but your happiness in life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. And the highest quality of thoughts you can ever have is living like what you have asked Allah for is already complete. This is the truest state of gratitude. Truly ask yourself the questions. How would I feel if Allah gave me my dream house, my dream job, the dream rizq that I wanted? I would feel fulfilled. I would be grateful to be the blesser. I would be literally ecstatic in every moment. I would be so happy that God has allowed me to be a provision, to be a resource for those I love, for those around me. And start living like that. Feel that as you walk around, wherever you are, if you're working a job, if you're in your bed, if you're watching TV, feel how you would feel if everything you wanted was already fulfilled, if everything you wanted was already complete. Because by doing this, you take your conscious awareness off the dunya, because the dunya, you already have it. It's already yours, because who are you with? Who do you roll with? Who do you step with? Who do you walk with? Allah, with God, nobody else. So live like that, man. Look at the trees and see their beauty. Know that Allah's mercy is with you in this moment. Every breath you take, feel like you are inhaling the mercy of Allah. Every exhale you put into the world, feel like you are breathing your dream reality into place. Live like this. This is spirituality. This is Islam. Islam is not a bunch of rational actions, a bunch of logical steps. No, bro, Islam was never that, man. Islam is a religion of the heart. It's a deen of the chest, not of the mind. Stop debating, stop arguing, bro. Bun that. Do you think Allah wants to look at us and see that? No way, no way. But yeah, man, just lock in, bro. Lock in. Feel like you've achieved everything. Live like that. It doesn't matter what task you are undergoing, what is actually going on in your external circumstances. Let go of all of it and just come back to Allah, man.